Hi, friends. So, right now we are heading towards Walmart, and the reason being, if you watched my video where I showed you our car wash, and I did tell you there that it's likely to snow in a day or two. Well, today we've been getting alerts on our phone. We are getting emails that instead of snow, it has been upgraded to an alert and that we are going to be having a blizzard. So blizzard is like a snowstorm, and they have warned us and they are telling us to fill up your gas in your cars and make sure you have ample supply of food in your house. So that's the reason we are heading to Walmart to stock up. And not only that, we've got a call from Rishi's school too, and they have decided to close the school for tomorrow. Now, generally in US, they don't tell us that they're going to close the schools so well in advance. It's only at 6 o'clock in the morning, early in the morning, that they'll call us and say that the schools are closed. But this is the first time that they have called a day before and said they're closing. So it's something really serious. So we are heading to Walmart, and I'm going to keep you posted.
So the time right now is 7:11 in the morning, and outside, let me show you. So at this time it's raining. It's not raining that heavily, but it is raining, and they had predicted that it's going to start raining in the morning, and then later in the day we'll have the blizzard. So we'll keep checking, and I'll keep you posted as how the weather changes and what's going to happen as time goes by. So it's 8:30 in the morning. So it's been more than an hour since it's been raining. Now, instead of rain, we have like sleet. Sleet is like, rain plus light snow. So that's what's happening at this point. And you can see on this window too that as soon as the light snow is touching the window, it melts because the house is warm, and it's changing into water droplets and then sliding down. So right now the time is 8:40. So within just a few minutes, see, it started to snow. There's snow on the ground, so just some light snow, and even on rooftops the snow has started to accumulate. Once again, it is kind of little specks of snow with rain, and more like light snow, I would say, at this point at 8:40 in the morning. So I'll keep you posted, and when we have the blizzard, I'll let you know. So guys, right now it is 10:11 in the morning, and this is the condition outside. So the snow has started and the intensity has increased, and everything is now covering with snow. So let's see at this rate what happens. So guys, let me show you the front, what the conditions are like. So you can see how strongly the winds are blowing and the snow is increasing, and the ground has started to cover with snow right here. And that's how it is. The visibility is really poor. So guys, this is the condition now at this time. And if you look here, the visibility is almost like zero. I can't even see past the tree. That means the whole park is now invisible. And the wind velocity is really high. If you look down, you can see the way the trees and the stems are shaking. And this is what the condition is. And it's just 11 o'clock right now. So guys, this is the view of the outside of the patio, the back side of our house. So the doors are getting covered with snow, and if you can see the way the waves of the snow are flying around, so the intensity of the wind is high, and at this time it is like 1:27 in the afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and go closer and see if I can show you a better view. So I can't open any doors and I cannot open any windows or anything because it's an advisory and they've said stay at home, don't go out, and plus it's too windy, otherwise it might damage the house or whatever if I open could break. So this is how it is. And let me show you a little bit down. So that's how the deck looks like, and this is how it is. From this side I can't show you because my whole, the door is also now covered with the snow. So the visible view is not that great. Visibility is very poor. Can't even see neighbor's house on the right hand side because of the snow and the wind. So guys, can you see in this blizzard, there's this man who's come out of his house specially to clean his driveway. And he's using a snow blower for it. And see how windy it is, that at times when this blizzard, the wind increases, I can't even record him, it's so blurry. So he is a person with great dedication, where in the blizzard everyone wants to stay warm and they're going to sit in the house and enjoy the warmth in the house. He's out there to clean his driveway. I guess he needs to go out somewhere, or he probably is doing it for tomorrow. And that's how, people do it, especially if in areas where it snows a lot. So instead of shoveling, doing it manually, these snow blowers are really helpful. It's taking the snow from the ground and throwing it from a pipe that's on the top, and you can see it's throwing it far away.
So guys, officially the blizzard has started, and I'll keep you posted and I'll bring you what all happened in the next video. And I'll take your leave now. And if you are in a cold place, stay warm, and I'll come back again with another video pretty soon. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye!